welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, for today's video, as you know from the title, we are going to be unboxing a paint set. But before we get into the video, if you did not subscribe, your house is gonna blow up like this. Okay, you make sure you're subscribe. Okay? Bye. Guys, and now it's time for me to show you my cute little paint set. So let's go. This is my paint set, and remove this. So this is my paint set. As you can see, this is my yes, it's an animal theme. I love animals. Don't judge me. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and I'll show you inside. Sorry, picked it up. Okay guys, so this is what my painting looks. I will tell you the four sections here. So you're like, dude, there's only 2 sections here. Where's the 2? Wait. So as you come here, this is my pencil section. This is, if you don't know, this is black, and this is. Oh my god. I'm dropping everything. So this is my color pencils. And this is my watercolor, and this is art for 2 mixing the paints. And these are the erasers. This is also an eraser. And look, I have a metal sharpener. Oh. Okay. So as you can see, I have 2 pencils here. As you can see, this is 2 pencils and some paint brushes. And yeah, I love this set. I will show you the 2 sections. So guys, this is my 2 section. This is how it opens. So yes, so this is just like nothing. So we're just going to put it there. So this is what it looks like. Wow. And this is my marker set. All of that. There, marker set. This is I'll show you this one. This has a lot of dark blue. I don't know why. And this is all of my stuff. And this is my oil paint, as you can see. It's saying oil pastel. This is all of my paints. Yeah, it looks very cute, right? This is how it looks. Wow, it's so pretty. So guys, I'll tell in the description how to get this. And I get this from Lazada, so I'll tell you in the description box. So actually, it's not that bad. On the side, this is how it closes. This is how it closes, and this is how it opens. It has this 2 caps here, so you can open it. Here, this is how you close it. Oh my god. Yes, you just have to do like this out of your suitcase. Please be careful about. Oh my god. Okay, I'll see you guys later just because I can't really close it. There you go, we close it. There. This is how you close it. This is how you open it. Like there. So yeah. Anyways, that was for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And I told you, if you subscribe, your house won't be bombed like this. Okay? Okay? You make sure you subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!